Okay, for number 12, they want us to basically simplify. So for A, right, we have to distribute this squared in, right? So it's 3 squared, which is 9, and then x squared, 2 to the second, that's, we multiply, we get x to the fourth, and then y squared, and then z to the fourth squared, which is 4 times 2, which is 8, right? You have to bring that 2 into each one of those separate variables and coefficient. For B, same thing, we have to bring the 3 in. So r squared to the third is r to the sixth, s to the third, and then r to the third in the denominator. And then there's an s to the third in the denominator, so 3 times 3 is 9. And then there's a t in the denominator, so t to the third. Now we cancel, right? So the r to the sixth and r to the third becomes r to the third in the numerator, right? R to the third. The s to the third and the s to the ninth leaves me with an s to the sixth in the denominator, and then I have a t to the third in the denominator. So for B. And C, let's do C up here. We have to use FOIL, right? So 3m times 2m is 6m squared. 3m times negative 1 is minus 3m. 7 times 2m is 14m. And 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. So I have 6m squared. These are like terms. Plus 14 minus 3 is plus 11m minus 7. And then D, x minus 3 squared. There's no shortcut. You have to do this, right? This is different. We can't distribute this in, the 2 in, like we did for A. Remember A up here? We distributed the 2 in. We can't do that because there's more than one term in here. They're separated by a plus or a minus. In A, there was only one term. Okay, so this gives us x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Then the negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9. So we get x squared minus 6x plus 9 for D.